Hey guys, Boris back from XS Crypto. Now, in this video, we're going to go over XRP and SEI analysis. Before that, I want to go over our Telegram group here that we have where we post daily signals, profit sharing analysis. This is just a great way to get involved in the community. So be sure to click subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the Telegram channel, links below. And we have so many bonuses as well if you sign up with CoinW Exchange, and you can get involved in all these trades and all these setups and all these profits we've been making over the past week. You also get a red packet reward as well if you join with the link below. So be sure to do that before watching the rest of this video. So let me actually dive right into the analysis. Let's go into XRP. So, I'm a swing trader, so I like to look at the macro view. So right here on XRP, what I see, and by the way, guys, what I see is actually a potential move of maybe 100% or more, right? Because this is going to be a lot to digest. But basically what I'm looking at is, I think very likely, I'm looking at XRP on the monthly time frame, and what I'm seeing is a very bullish pattern. And I think at the very least, we have an attempt to retest the highs of, let's say, when was this? Of January. So we have at least a 42% move on our horizon. And I do think the move will be to the upside just because there's some bullish news of some XRP integrations with some big financial institutions, as well as just a bullish technical pattern overall. So I think we can, very easily test the highs and go up 40% from here. And then from there, we can even go up like, the sky's infinite. Could go 100% easily to, $5 and then beyond. Like, I don't want to set like any crazy targets, but be sure to, watch out for XRP in the coming weeks. I think it's a pattern that is very likely to break out to the upside. Now, what I have plotted here are two lines. The yellow line is the 21 exponential moving average, and then the green line is the 55 EMA, which is also another big important moving average. But basically what you want to take away from this is that as long as these two moving averages are above, as long as the price is above these two moving averages, this means that the pattern is very, very bullish. So yeah, I think this is very bullish. Let's see if we can get some deeper insights on the weekly. Yeah, on the weekly, we can draw like a very distinct horizontal support and resistance line. So I'm going to draw one right now. So we're going to draw horizontal resistance at roughly $3. If we can get above that, then I think very likely we're going to retest 350 or so. Yeah, 350. I think that's a good target. And then I think a good, psychological, not even just technical horizontal support is at right here. Draw it in at $1.80. This is being supported by the 55-week moving average, plus just the price action that we've seen. So basically, the way you can interpret this is, as long as XRP is between $3 and 1.8 cents, there's really nothing to do. You just kind of got to wait for the breakout. But I'm leaning towards the bullish side just because XRP has been so bullish in the past week. So that is the direction that I'm leaning in. So basically, very simple. If XRP breaks above $3, we're probably going to be 50. And then if XRP breaks below like 1.82, then we're probably going to, I don't know, like 70 cents or something like that. So like 75 cents. And probably like back to $1 psychological. That's the way I'm looking at things right now. Let's look at the daily, see if there's any insights we have from the daily time frame. Let me just get my trading view to work here. Yeah, so on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, like XRP is looking very bullish as well. We had we just had like a bullish cross between these two moving averages, between the green 55 and the yellow 21. So when the yellow 21 crosses above the yellow, when the yellow 21 crosses above the green 55, that is called a bullish crossover when you're dealing with EMA. So this is looking like a very bullish pattern for me. So I think XRP will continue to the upside for the near future. I just zoomed in here. Let's see if we can get some further insights from here. Yeah, I think on the daily time frame, a good target is 2.6 cents, and then probably if you can get above 2.6, we'll probably going to $3. So that's my analysis on XRP. Very bullish, I think. Yeah, very bullish on XRP. Let's look at SEI now. SEI is really not as bullish as XRP, because let's start on the monthly time frame, right? So on SEI now, there isn't as much data, but we're not at the highs, right? Unlike XRP, like look at this chart. Just let it load. See, on XRP, we're at monthly highs basically, but on SEIs, we're nowhere near the monthly highs. Like we're pretty much near, we're like 200% away from the monthly highs, which is crazy. And then if you look at the weekly time frame, we're below the 55 moving average, which basically means we're in a bearish downtrend for now. So yeah, just looking at these two charts, I'd be much more bullish on XRP than SEI. Let's go down to the daily. Maybe there's something here. Like on a daily, it doesn't look too bad. We did break above this, or we are currently breaking above this pivot point from the like early to mid May highs at, what was the high here? Like 27 cents. So if we can get above, if we can like confirm a breakout above this, then yeah, we're probably gonna retest 30 cents, and then maybe let's say 40 cents. There's potential on SEI. It's just honestly, I'm much more bullish on XRP. XRP just looks like a much more cleaner chart. And then also on SEI, you have to keep in mind that we need to clear resistance at 30 cents, and we haven't done that yet. So yeah, that's what I'm currently looking at on SEI, XRP. Once again, guys, actually I did post an XRP signal in the Telegram channel, so be sure to check that out. Let me show you where I posted that signal. So that signal was posted back on, let me try to find it. Yeah, yesterday. So there we go. And we had some profit. Taking from some of our users. Some people made over 160% profits. So be sure to check that out. Now let's see what else here. Yeah, here's the XRP setup that I personally posted. It was a long setup based on a 3-day time frame with the entry price, the leverage, your take profits, and your stop loss, and my reasoning. So really, guys, again, be sure to sign up for the Telegram group. It's so useful. So much alpha here. So I'm going to end it here. Again, my short thoughts: XRP bullish, SEI has potential, but not as bullish as XRP. But yeah, here, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, next stream.